It's game day, and the fans are hungry for a win for their favorite team. They're also hungry for game day snacks and the perfect wine for pairing. Move over, beer. Allison and I are pouring the wine. In this episode, we share two of our favorite game day snacks and the wines we love that make every bite better. It's a win all around. So enjoy the video, comment about your favorite game day snacks and wine pairings, and subscribe to our channel for more. It's game day, and what's equally important is cheering for your team are the food and wine at game day parties. But honestly, every dish that we can find at a game day party pairs brilliantly with wine. So here we go. Allie, what are you having at your party?
Well, is there anything more perfect for a game day snack than nachos?
No.
I mean, really, cheesy, ooey gooey goodness. But while most people drink beer with nachos when they watch the game, I actually have wine. And what I have is the Line 39 2020 Sauvignon Blanc. This is an $11 wine that can be found in almost every retail store, and it's super affordable and super easy drinking. I mean, I get all the classic, kind of citrus notes, the freshness. Oh, and I love it. So you can't ask for more than affordable and easy drinking. And they're also a very sustainably minded brand. So that's also a win-win. But why would I pick nachos and Sauvignon Blanc? Well, I think it's because opposites attract. And that's especially with the cheesiness and the salty, crispy chips. So this is a really heavy snack food. It's one of those gut fillers that once you eat some nachos, you don't eat for days afterwards. And I think it needs a crisp wine to cut through the fat and bring some zing back to the palate. So I've got my nachos here. Nice piece with carne asada, gooey cheese, beans, everything, guacamole. And that's exactly what it does. There's a little zing of heat from the salsa and the guacamole that the Sauvignon Blanc kind of cuts through. And then that kind of rich fattiness of the beans and the cheese and the chips that kind of weigh you down just get washed away with the kind of citrus and freshness and the cream crispness of this wine. So I'm going to say Sauvignon Blanc and nachos for the win.
Very good. Should I do this? Should I do that? Assuming we're watching football. Well, I love that. I'm going to definitely try the nachos. I love nachos too. And Sauvignon Blanc. I've had the Line 39. It is outstanding. And you know what? Line 39 also comes in cans. So that might be a fun game day addition too.
Yes, those are spritzers though.
I know. But some people may not want the whole gamut. So that's Line 39 does a great job offering, options for everyone.
Yeah, very affordable, very, very affordable, easy drinking wines and sustainably minded. So yeah, we love it.
You bet. Well, I did a little bit different. I chose pulled pork sliders with J. Lohr Los Osos Merlot, 2019 from Paso Robles. And what's not to love about this pairing, because I've got pulled pork over here. I'm going to show you what I've got right here. Looks really good with barbecue sauce. And it has just a touch of sweet and savory herbs simmered with the pork. And I just heaped it on a small Hawaiian bun. I mean, you could put it on a bigger bun, or I like these because they're more like a 3-biter kind of slider. And the Hawaiian bun does have a little bit of sweet in it too, which is really going to be great with this Merlot, which I'm going to talk about in just a second. But I didn't put the coleslaw or the pickle on it just because I wanted to definitely taste the pulled pork with the Merlot. But the coleslaw and pickle are optional. So it's a classic game day snack. Now, the J. Lohr wine has been owned by the family since 1974. And they too are sustainably farmed, have sustainably farmed vineyards, and the winery, all of them, their passion. So in Paso Robles, warm days and cool nights are ideal for growing traditional Bordeaux varieties like this. So this wine is a blend of Merlot and 14% Malbec. And the Malbec lends hibiscus notes, pomegranate, and then the Lososo soil in the vineyard where the Merlot is cultivated fosters black cherry notes, plum, baking spice, and black cherry, all these wonderful notes that I know are going to go very, very well. 1 year of oak aging. And let's just taste it. Oh boy. Mm. I love the sweetness. It's a win. Perfect. For $15, this wine is such an affordable game day wine to go with this really great pulled pork slider that most people would just drink a beer with.
Mhm.
So highly recommend it. So I think we made some good suggestions, don't you?
Yeah, I think you can never underestimate pairing wine with even junk food or to go fast food or game day food. And I mean,
Absolutely.
my God, like I've just got this pile of nachos here. So I'm getting really hungry. I'm going to spend more energy eating and drinking during game day than actually watching the game.
Yeah, that's probably right. I think you're probably right on that.
So, it's amazing that these are really easy drinking, both sustainably minded brands, but also really affordable. And, what's
Exactly.
better? Because if you're throwing a party, you don't want to spend a lot on money on wine, beer, or anything. You just want to have friends over and enjoy. And these are wines you can open up a bunch of bottles, throw down pulled pork sliders, nachos, and lots of other great food, and let people just have fun.
You bet. That's what it's all about anyway, game day. And then fingers crossed the team you want to win wins. But even if it doesn't, you can have wine and awesome game day snacks, right? So we have loved sharing our game day snacks with you and in this episode, and I hope you enjoy them as well. So what we'd like you to do is let us know which game day snack is your favorite. And let us know in the comments. Give our video a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Cheers.
Cheers.